Hello guys, this is Pawan from Electronics. So today in this video tutorial, I'll just demonstrate I'll say will give you the first impression of GPT-4o. Here O represents Omni. So here we can in the web and through web interface we can now give images and some real-time things also we can get from GPT. So I'll just click on this right now. And here we will just first write our first thing. Let's say I'll just tell please give a logo of my channel Embedotronics Technologies. Let's see what result I get. Okay, I misspelled, so here also I can add it. Also here I'll just add it. Let me just edit this thing and send. I'll just ask it to make a logo. Please make a logo so here you can see it's not creating a logo. Yes, so okay. Other thing we can do something like we can scan some images. Let's say I'll just browse and I'll go to the images part and let's see. I'll just give it this image of mug. Can you tell me about this? So let's see. So it is scanning the images and it is giving the real-time uses and things about the image. Okay, and if let's say if I'll just put let's say my image on that, I'll just go to the desktop. And here in my files, I'll just give my image. Can you describe about this? Okay, let's see. Okay, so he explained about me. So nice. Some of the things are good in this case we can get, but this is very limited. This 4o. Other things we can do like in real time if we want to know what is the weather report of my city, Delhi. So real-time searching from the web, so it is searching from the web, browsing. Quite hot, it is telling. Yes, even it is giving the forecast over the next few days. The temperatures are expected to stay very high, with the daytime heights reaching up to 111 Fahrenheit. So these are the things we can do with GPT-4o. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any doubt regarding this, just feel free to comment us below. Thanks for watching this video.